It was about to be dark in the massive city of Medellin in Colombia, with a population of 4 million people and houses everywhere spread across the mountains. It's one of the top 3 most densely populated cities in the world. I had previously been out during the day, but today I wanted to go out during the nighttime. I had been inside almost all day, but had finally decided to get a haircut.
Hello everybody! Welcome to another video. I cut my hair today. It looks really strange. I didn't want it to be this short, but the guy, he took out the trimmer, or whatever you call it. Oops! So now it's very short, but I'm here in the middle of Medellin, a really big city in Colombia. 4 million people, including the metropolitan area. And it's, what time is it? 6:50 in the evening. I'm gonna be going out on the street today to check it out. I'm here actually right by a park called Parque San Antonio, and I was googling the park, and the first thing that comes up, it says no-go areas in Medellin, Colombia. Medellin's Parque San Antonio. Sadly, the park is known for pickpocketing and armed robbery. Armed robbery, that's not good. But I was there actually in the daytime yesterday, so we're gonna be going over there now and checking it out, and also go for a walk just to see how this town is at night. Yeah, let's head out. I'm actually gonna be going with my GoPro instead, so nobody takes my good camera, the camera that I have right here. Hello! So here is the hotel room I've been staying in. Pretty cheap actually, 60 something thousand Colombian pesos. I think it's $18 or 17, I can't remember exactly. Yeah, it's a pretty nice hotel. There's also a rooftop. We're gonna go up to the rooftop real quick and then go out on the street. I have my running shoes on in case we have to run away from some dangerous people. So we are ready to run. We are ready to run, my friends. We are ready to run. There is the rooftop bar. So here we can see all the mountains. There are mountains surrounding the whole city. The other day I actually took a cable tram all the way up to some suburbs.
I took the elevator down to the bottom floor and got out of the 2 doors that separated the hotel entrance to the main street outside. I was right in the downtown area of Medellin.
Now I'm here on the street on the way to Parque San Antonio to see if we can find any dangerous people. Hopefully not, actually. There's so many people outside. Look, the bus stop is packed. I had some food earlier. I've been eating a bunch of rice and meat with chicken. It seems to be a standard dish here. Always rice and also fried chicken. We have some huge avocados here. I've never seen this huge avocados before. Look, huge. Es aguacate.
Sí, señor.
Es muy grande.
Grande.
Muy grande aguacate. Yeah, you saw the avocado is huge, like bigger than my hand. Here we have Parque San Antonio. We're going into Parque San Antonio. It's peligroso. The camera. So you take it. I run.
I met a police and another guy that said I should not be going outside with my camera in my hand.
I met the police when I crossed the road. He said it's dangerous. He said he made a gesture. He said that he's gonna snatch the camera. He said it's dangerous in here. Now we are in the dangerous park. We're gonna run if we see any danger. There's also a lot of pickpocketing here apparently, so I have my left hand in my pocket so nobody comes and snatches my phone. Here we have some people. Here we have a bunch of people sitting around, look. Parque San Antonio, this is the middle part of Parque San Antonio. Seems to be quite a lot of people here, so I don't know if people could actually try to rob you here. Seems a bit risky for that, or maybe not, I don't know. Let's go over here. See what we have here. It seems not so bad here. No armed robbery so far. We're gonna go to another famous park that is on the other side of this street here and see how that is. Somebody's selling something here.
It was quite dark almost everywhere I went. Even on the main streets, the lighting was really bad.
Alright, let's cross the street here and go to the other park. There's a tram here also. It goes all around the city. I took it also the other day. Piñacha. Oh yeah. Here seems to be a lot more people. Look at this. It looks a bit shitty here actually. We're going to Parque de las Luces now. Another famous park here. Here it's packed with people too. Constantly people walking everywhere here. Look. Actually, people have seemed really friendly so far here in Colombia. Now there's a bit less people here. Not nearly as many. I don't know what this is. And yeah, I think I've seen this before, this park. A bunch of columns sticking up in the middle of nowhere. Don't know what it is actually.
I was walking through the park and the lighting was also really bad here, even though there were 300 columns with lighting above.
It's a pretty cool park here actually. Lots of bamboo trees here. Bamboo trees. You can knock on them. Hello. So I've seen other YouTubers just walk around like this, film a bit and speak to people, and that seems to be working really well. So I'm gonna try that now. Walk around and speak to some people. There's this guy on YouTube, his name is Bald and Bankrupt. He was pretty much the first person that would just walk around and speak to people on YouTube, and then a lot of people started imitating his videos because he had so much success. And it takes no time to edit these kind of videos. When you just speak for a bit, there's no cuts, no edits, no music. It's so easy. Otherwise my other videos would take me 3-4 days sometimes to edit. So we're gonna try this now. Walk around a bit here in the neighborhood. A lot of people actually looking at me sometimes. They give me this kind of look, you know. Here seems to be some kind of alley. Don't know where it's taking me. Buy some shoes here maybe. But I think they're closing.
¿Quieres a la 7?
No, gracias.
$20.
It's okay. Soy de Suecia, no dólares.
Ah, no $. ¿Son qué yenes?
He was trying to sell me some shoes over here, but I was trying to tell him that my shoes are good already for running. Now there are almost no people here, so hopefully we don't get in trouble. Oh, where am I now?
Buenas.
Hola.
Hola. Sí.
it's almost too easy to do this. Just walk around and speak to the camera. Filmar, ¿es ok? Sí. ¿Qué es esto?
Cerdo.
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 ¿Cuánto
Marrano.
cuesta?
4.000.
4.000. Es carne.
Carne de cerdo.
Carne, ok. 4.000.
10, 15 y ya te doy 1.000.
Ok. Gracias. Es papas.
Papa y arepa.
¿Qué es esto?
Arepa.
Arepa. Ah, ok.
Espérame.
Gracias.
No, espera.
About some kind of meat here and some potatoes and bread. I've had this also. I've been getting this with almost every meal that I ordered. The potato and the bread. Pretty good, but it is the first time I'm trying the meat. 4,000 pesos. I'm also a bit lost here. I don't know really where I'm going, but doesn't seem that dangerous so far. I still have my phone in my pocket and nobody has snatched it. It's pretty good, the meat actually. Really good meat. I don't even know where I am anymore. Colombia against Chile in soccer. I think I'm coming out to the hood a bit here. It's a bunch of trash everywhere. Trash and not so many people anymore. I should maybe turn around now. Almost no people anymore. I actually don't know where I am now. I have to check my phone. Make sure I don't get lost.
Some streets were just so dark, so I decided to head back to the starting point.
I think I have to go this way now. I have to run a bit. Run. Oh. In my opinion, I feel like it's not that great of a video when you walk around and then film some people. I feel also like it's a bit rude when you just put your camera up to somebody's face that you don't know and they're like, what's going on, you know? And you film the people you meet. I usually haven't done that, even though I meet actually a lot of people along the way. People always stop you here and there, and then I try to speak with them, but yeah, so it would be nice if people can let me know if this is even a good video, or if it's even interesting. Compared to my earlier videos when I was trying to do more like nice, a bit of cinematic shots with music and stuff, not just speaking. That's what I was doing earlier.
Hello. Yo, Mauricio. ¿Tú cómo te llamas?
William.
William, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Bien, Colombia, Estados Unidos.
Soy de Suecia.
Suiza, bien.
Suiza.
Dios lo bendiga. Bien.
Mucho gusto.
Documental peso yo, por
Sí.
YouTube.
Mucho gusto, mi amigo.
Mucho gusto, mi amigo.
Here is the subway station or the tram station, so I'm going this way this time. There's actually a lot of dust here. You can see it like in the lights of the buses. It's a bunch of dust just coming up. Here comes the tram. Oh, I'm walking into Parque San Antonio again. We'll see how it is now. If we see some dangerous people, we can run away. There's a long straightaway here. I actually kind of want to run. Here we're coming into the soccer game again. Goal! I think I'm gonna buy an avocado now. It's the most calorie dense food you can actually buy. Here we have the avocado. Nom nom nom. Hola, quanto cuesta un aguacate?
Ahí ya 5.000
5.000.
de 4.
4. 5. Una grande. Perfecto. Gracias. I bought my avocado, a big one, for 5,000 pesos. There's a casino here. I might try to go into the casino, check it out.
I was back in the hotel again after an interesting walk. I think no matter where you are in the world, if you are at the wrong place at the wrong time, you can have bad luck and run into some trouble.
So I'm going up to the 7th floor where I'm staying. The avocado cost me 5,000 actually, and the dinner that I ate earlier was 6,000. So perhaps it's better to just buy a full meal. It's not that much bigger than a regular avocado, or kind of. It covers my whole hand, look. Yeah, this will be the end of the video. It might have been a really boring video. But thanks for watching.
I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, so if you want to help out, all you have to do is click the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.